Alright, summary. The chapter presented the information basic measurement of the information file, the summary of the important points of the chapter with the basic measurement of the voltage current, the reactance of the capacity of the duct, for the accuracy of all the measurement that depend on your skill with the technician and the accuracy of your test equipment. For the different type of the test equipment vary with the greatly depends on the design, with the character of the talents, with the individual component, with your knowledge of the test equipment application. For the Met-Cal program, and ensure the calibrated the test equipment to meet for the established specification. Most of the equipment, the technical manual conveying the voltage chart that are listed for the current rack voltage that should be attained by the various tests. One of the important remember the input and pin for the test equipment, and you must have the high enough to prevent the circuit loading. When you're performing a AC voltage, remember the additional consideration greatly affect the accuracy of the measurement, frequency limitation of your test. AC/DC current measurement that can be performed by a wide variety of the test equipment. The most current measurement that requires the break of the current path with the unsoldering of the component with the wire with the inserting the ammeter and shifting with the current path with only the alternative method of computing using envelope of the current through the circuit of measuring the voltage drop of the car with the known resistance with the alternative of the UV the current probe with the required with the unsoldering. When performing the resistance measurement, the primary concern of the range of the degree of the accuracy of the test equipment, the more insensitive the analog multimeter, the accurate enough to perform the basic troubleshooting of the measuring extremely large resistance of the you sometimes require with the megalayer and the differential voltmeter. When testing current sensitive the device, you must be certain that the current produced by your test equipment does not exceed the current limitation of the device being tested. Capacity the inductive measurement that seldom required with the curve of the troubleshooting measurement that usually performed for various test type of the bridge of reactance type of the measuring device, the bridge of measurement, the technique of the commonly used the more accurate with the reactance type of the measurement. And that was Chapter 1 summary. Chapter 2 component testing.